Here's SynClub app, chat with AI character, create and explore stories. So SynClub is AI chat platform where you can create and discover unique AI characters inspired by your favorite anime, games, stories, books, movies, and TV shows. Chat freely in a creative and welcoming space. Whether you want to explore stories, share ideas, or simply enjoy conversations, SynClub offers a place to interact with AI characters anytime. Discover world of AI characters, create your own AI characters, AI voice conversations, chat anytime, anywhere. So that's kind of the app. Alternative to Chai, or alternative to Character AI. So then you can just open it up and then you just have it in here. Then you see your account. And then here you see all the characters. There is this discovery section. You can create your own character, create image, and now you can also create your AI game, similar as you see in apps like Rezona AI and some others. So yeah, you can just do that, and that's your account. Wallet, you can get coins for free just by watching ads, and then you can also invite friend. So here, for example, if you wanna. Here is, well, this is quite a deep link, or you can just scan this QR code. So just do a screenshot and scan this QR code. So something like that, what you can try out.